Today we're going to show you some of the best fabricating and chip making machines in the business. Machines like metal bending brakes, notchers, angle and sheet metal rolls, power hammers, cold saws, band saws, mills, and more.
We look forward to showing you the latest and greatest machinery Sterling Machinery Exchange and Baileigh Machinery have to offer.
Make sure to ask us about great financing options available so we can make sure to fit all your financial needs. I hope to talk to you soon about some great machinery. You know our motto, Eat, Sleep, Machine.
This is the Baileigh BB-4012F. Now, if you take a look at this one versus some of the other brakes, you're going to notice a little different style. First thing I want to go over is most people that call in, they say they need a hand brake. They're not sure what the difference is between a leaf brake or a finger brake. Right here is just a leaf brake. You see, you got your ram up here, no fingers, one solid beam. Put your bend in, make your bend. But if you wanted to go the other way and bend in, you obviously can't because you have the beam. That's why they built these guys. This finger brake here has a simple foot operation to raise the beam, put your material in, it locks that sucker down. This is a 12 gauge mild steel. Pull your hand, super simple. Unlock, and you got your piece. Now if you wanted to do this way and you want to go into it, you'll notice all these fingers are different sizes. So all you got to do is find the finger that's going to work. What you would do is take this guy and this guy out. You could slide that right in and you'll be able to bend the opposite way to make your bend. Pretty cool. Lock it down. Make your bend. Unlock. And you're on to your next process. Pretty heavy material for this little guy too. If you're looking for this machine or any other, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for our complete lines of new and used equipment at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.